What would happen if humans vanished from the planet today? Nature wouldn't waste a moment reclaiming its territory. Here are 10 fascinating facts about how fast the Earth would change without us. Within hours, cities would go dark. Without people to maintain power plants, most cities would lose electricity in just a few hours. Darkness would take over as the first sign of humanity's absence. Streets would flood within days. Subway systems and underground tunnels would start flooding within a few days as pumps fail without human intervention. Wildlife would invade urban areas. In just weeks, animals would reclaim the streets. Deer, foxes, and even predators like bears and wolves would roam freely in cities. Plants would crack pavement within months. Without constant maintenance, weeds and grass would sprout through sidewalks and roads. Roots would crack concrete and asphalt, turning cities into jungles. Buildings would start to crumble within a year. Without heating, cooling, and repairs, buildings would rapidly deteriorate. Moisture, mold, and vegetation would start breaking down structures. Pets would either adapt or perish. Domesticated animals like cats and dogs would have to adapt to the wild or face extinction. Meanwhile, feral animals would thrive. Forests would regrow over farmland. Abandoned farmland would quickly transform into forests. Within a few decades, much of the world's farmland would be indistinguishable from natural woodlands. Carbon emissions would drop drastically. The air would start to clear almost immediately. Within 10 years, carbon dioxide levels would plummet, and the planet's climate might begin to stabilize. Iconic landmarks would fade. Famous structures like the Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty would corrode and collapse without upkeep, leaving behind ruins for nature to consume. Nature would dominate in 500 years. In as little as 500 years, most traces of human civilization would be unrecognizable. Forests, grasslands, and wildlife would completely reclaim the Earth. Nature doesn't wait. It would reclaim the planet astonishingly fast if we weren't here to stop it. Which of these transformations surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.